In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Visual C++ runtime error on your computer. So if you're trying to open up an application or a game on your computer and you're getting this runtime error, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to go and fix it. Now, the first solution is you need to head over to the Start menu on your computer, search for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, click on Apps and click on Installed Apps. Now, using the search box at the top here, we're going to search for C++, and then right at the top here, you should see this Microsoft Visual C++ application. All we're going to do is click on the three horizontal dots next to it, click on Modify, and then go and press Repair. Now, give that a couple of seconds while it goes and repairs any corrupted or damaged files to do with this application, and then once this is finished, you can try opening back up that same application, and you can check to see if that solved your issue. If it's still not working, then what you'll need to do instead is click back on these three horizontal dots, click on Uninstall, and click on Uninstall to confirm. Now, once you've uninstalled this application, we're just going to open up an internet browser, and we're going to type in Microsoft Visual C++ download, and then press enter. Click on this top website here, which is the official Microsoft website, and then we're going to scroll down until you see this download section. Now, if you have a 64-bit computer, then you want to go and download this 64-bit version. But if you're on a 32-bit computer, you can go and download x86. I'm going to click on the x64 like so, and it should appear in your downloads folder over here. We can then just go and open up this application, and you can go through the steps on the screen to reinstall this to your PC. And once it's finished, that should have then fixed any error messages you were getting. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.